Choosing the right bedding for a comfortable and beautiful bedroom. Choosing the right bedding is essential for creating a comfortable and beautiful bedroom. Consider the color scheme and style of your bedroom, as well as your personal preferences, when selecting bedding. Think about the fabric, texture, and pattern of the bedding, and whether it will provide the comfort and warmth you need. For example, cotton or linen bedding can be breathable and soft, while a floral pattern can add a touch of elegance and sophistication. A beautiful bedding set can enhance the aesthetic of your bedroom, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere that promotes relaxation and restful sleep. By choosing the right bedding, you can create a bedroom that is both comfortable and beautiful, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Key considerations. Comfort. Choose bedding that is comfortable and provides the right level of warmth and softness. Style. Consider the style of your bedroom and choose bedding that fits with it. Fabric. Think about the fabric of the bedding and whether it will provide the comfort and durability you need. Pattern. Choose a pattern that fits with your personal style and the aesthetic of your bedroom. Tips for choosing the right bedding. Consider your lifestyle. Think about your lifestyle and how you use your bedroom. Invest in quality. Invest in high-quality bedding that will last and provide the comfort and beauty you need. Don't forget about texture. Texture can add depth and interest to your bedroom. By considering these factors and tips, you can choose the right bedding for a comfortable and beautiful bedroom that reflects your personal style and provides the perfect retreat. Dear friends, I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel. Remember to share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned for next video. See you soon.